The Amazon rainforest is not just a haven for vibrant flora and fauna, it's also a stage for some of the most bizarre and extraordinary creatures on the planet. In this enchanting ecosystem, evolution has produced an array of animals that challenge our understanding of nature and its limitless creativity. From turtles that look like they belong in a fantasy world to birds with strikingly unique appearances, the Amazon is a treasure trove of the unusual. Each of these creatures plays an integral role in the intricate tapestry of life within the rainforest, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability that has evolved over millennia. Join us as we explore 10 bizarre Amazon creatures that defy imagination. The matamata turtle is a remarkable creature that inhabits the slow-moving rivers and streams of the Amazon rainforest and other parts of South America. It is renowned for its bizarre appearance and specialized adaptations that make it a master of camouflage and ambush hunting. With a flat, rough carapace covered in tubercles and a large, flattened head with fleshy skin flaps and a snorkel-like nose, the matamata turtle's appearance is uniquely designed to mimic fallen leaves and debris on the riverbed, allowing it to blend perfectly into its murky surroundings. One of the most fascinating aspects of the matamata turtle is its feeding behavior. It is a specialized ambush predator that waits patiently on the river bottom, disguising itself among leaf litter and aquatic plants. When unsuspecting prey, such as fish and crustaceans, swim close enough, the matamata turtle strikes with lightning speed, using its vacuum-like mouth to suck in and swallow its prey whole. In addition to its unique appearance and feeding habits, the matamata turtle also has an interesting method of respiration. It possesses a specialized cloacal bursa, or breathing sac, located near its tail, which allows it to extract oxygen from the water even when submerged for long periods. This adaptation helps the turtle remain hidden and motionless while waiting for prey. Amazonian flycatchers are about 6 to 7 inches in length, with a striking appearance characterized by vibrant red plumage on males and more subdued colors on females and juveniles. The male's brilliant red coloration makes it easily distinguishable amidst the dense greenery of the rainforest canopy, while the female exhibits more muted brown and gray tones that help her blend in during nesting and incubation. It is a charming and colorful bird found throughout the Amazon rainforest and beyond. It belongs to the family Tyrannidae, which includes numerous species of small to medium-sized insect-eating birds known for their agile hunting skills. Amazonian flycatchers are adept aerial hunters, darting out from perches to capture flying insects mid-air. They have a keen eye and quick reflexes, making them efficient predators of mosquitoes, flies, and other small insects that abound in their forested habitats. Their preferred hunting grounds include forest edges, clearings, and along watercourses where insects are plentiful. During breeding season, male Amazonian flycatchers perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays often involve aerial acrobatics, vocalizations, and territorial behaviors to establish and defend their nesting territories. Once pairs form, they construct cup-shaped nests using plant fibers, feathers, and moss, typically placed in the fork of a tree branch or hidden in dense foliage for protection. Barmy ants are highly organized and formidable predators found in the Amazon rainforest and other tropical regions. These ants are known for their nomadic lifestyle and large-scale hunting behavior, which can have significant ecological impacts on their environment. They travel in massive swarms of ants and move in a coordinated formation across the forest floor. Army ants are characterized by their relentless foraging raids, where thousands to millions of individuals work together to overwhelm and consume prey ranging from insects and spiders to small vertebrates like lizards and frogs. One of the most fascinating aspects of army ants is their nomadic behavior. Unlike many ant species that establish permanent nests, army ants are constantly on the move, building temporary bivouacs or nests with their own bodies each night. These bivouacs serve as protection for the queen and brood, as well as a place for the colony to rest and regroup before embarking on their next hunting expedition. Army ants exhibit a division of labor among colony members, with different castes responsible for specific tasks such as foraging, defense, and caring for the queen and larvae. Their complex social structure and cooperative behaviors ensure the colony's survival and success in the challenging rainforest environment. The black panther, also known as the melanistic variant of leopards and jaguars, is a majestic big cat that roams the dense jungles and forests of the Amazon rainforest. Unlike its namesake from the Marvel comics, the real-life black panther is not a distinct species, but rather a color morph caused by a genetic mutation that results in an excess of melanin pigment. Sleek and powerful cat with a coat that appears uniformly black due to this melanism. In reality, under certain lighting conditions, you can sometimes discern faint rosette patterns typical of leopards or jaguars on their fur. These big cats possess remarkable strength, agility, and stealth, making them formidable predators in their environment. Black panthers are apex predators, meaning they occupy the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They primarily hunt deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals, using their exceptional stalking and pouncing abilities to ambush prey with precision. Their dark coloration provides a tactical advantage in the dimly lit rainforest, enabling them to blend seamlessly into the shadows and approach prey undetected. Its melanistic coat, powerful hunting skills, and importance as a keystone predator underscore its significance in maintaining ecological balance. The boat-billed heron, sporting a beak that looks like it could helm a mini yacht, is quite the character in the avian world. Unlike its sleek-beaked counterparts, this bird flaunts a hefty schnoz that's perfectly adapted for its lifestyle. Imagine a bird that not only fishes, but also seems prepared to sign maritime contracts with that robust beak. Despite its imposing bill, it's not the most vocal bird at the cocktail party. Rather than chirping up a storm, it prefers to silently stalk its prey along muddy riverbanks and marshy waters of Central and South America. Now, about that beak, it's not just for show. The boat-billed heron uses it to its advantage, snatching up fish, frogs, and aquatic insects with ease. It's like having a built-in pair of chopsticks that are always at the ready. And let's not forget the heron's fashion sense. Its plumage is a subdued mix of grays and browns, perfect for blending in with its watery surroundings. It's the bird equivalent of business casual, functional, and understated. When it comes to romance, the boat-billed heron doesn't disappoint in the drama department. During courtship, males show off their fishing skills to impress potential mates, which sounds a bit like a bird version of Netflix and chill. If successful, the pair will engage in a synchronized dance routine that would make even the most seasoned ballroom dancers envious. The boa constrictor, often mistaken for a rogue scarf with a vengeance, is actually a fascinating creature that commands respect in the snake kingdom. Unlike its venomous cousins who prefer to dish out lethal injections, the boa relies on good old-fashioned hugs to take down its prey, constricting with the finesse of a professional wrestler, albeit with significantly less spandex. Let's talk about size. These serpents aren't just your garden variety noodle. They can grow to impressive lengths, making them the envy of tape measures everywhere. Imagine encountering a boa that could double as a belt for a small elephant. It's both awe-inspiring and slightly terrifying. And don't be fooled by their heavy-duty physique. These snakes are surprisingly agile, slithering through jungles and forests with the grace of a gymnast on a mission. Now, about their dining habits, it's strictly a whole foods diet for these constrictors. They don't nibble or snack. They engulf their prey whole, like a gourmet enthusiast savoring a multi-course meal. After a successful hunt, they indulge in a digestive siesta that would make even the most committed foodie jealous. And if you thought they were picky pure eaters, think again. They'll chow down on anything from rodents to birds, and even the occasional small mammal. It's like having a menu with everything. Hold the side of fries. The bushmaster snake, the heavyweight champion of the New World rainforests, where even the foliage pauses to take notice of its presence. This serpent isn't just a snake. It's a living legend with a reputation that precedes it like a cautionary tale whispered among the trees. Imagine a snake so colossal that it could comfortably double as a tree branch. The bushmaster doesn't just slither, it prowls through the undergrowth like a silent sentinel, its hefty frame and cryptic coloration blending seamlessly with the forest floor. It's the ninja of the snake world, mastering the art of stealth with every sinuous movement. Now, about its bite. It's not something you'd want to experience firsthand. Armed with venom that's as potent as a politician's promise, the bushmaster's bite packs a wallop that can send even the hardiest of prey into a tailspin. It's the kind of venom that doesn't just say, hello. It leaves a lasting impression, ensuring that its victims remember the encounter long after the snake has slithered away. But don't mistake its formidable reputation for aggression alone. The bushmaster is more bark than bite when it comes to human encounters, preferring to avoid confrontation rather than engage in it. It's like the wise old sage of the rainforest, silently observing the world around it and only striking when absolutely necessary. The blue poison frog, also known as the blue dart frog, is a vibrant and tiny marvel of the rainforest floor, packing both beauty and a potent punch in its petite package. Don't let its size fool you. This frog is like a tiny azure jewel hopping through the leaf litter, catching the eye with its striking cobalt and black patterned skin. It's the kind of frog that makes you think twice about touching anything blue in the wild, just in case it's not a fashion statement, but a warning sign. Now, about that poison. This frog isn't just a pretty face. It's armed with skin secretions that are so toxic they could give even the most daring predator a serious case of indigestion. It's like having a built-in defense system that says, look, but don't touch. Interestingly, scientists believe that the frog's toxicity comes from its diet of ants and other insects, which accumulate toxins that the frog then repurposes for its own protection. It's like turning lemons into lemonade, but with ants and poison instead. Despite its deadly reputation, the blue poison frog is more about stealth than confrontation. It's a master of blending into its surroundings, using its vibrant coloration as both a warning and a camouflage. Imagine playing hide-and-seek with a frog that could hide in plain sight. It's both impressive and slightly unnerving. The bush dog, often described as a pint-sized predator with the heart of a lion and the social calendar of a Hollywood starlet, is a fascinating member of South America's wildlife elite. Don't let its small stature fool you. This canine dynamo is like the scrappy underdog of the rainforest, packing a punch that belies its petite size. Let's talk about its appearance. Picture a miniature wolf crossed with a teddy bear, sporting a short, cinnamon-colored coat that's as sleek as it is practical for jungle living. It's the kind of dog that looks like it's always ready for an adventure, whether it's chasing down prey or exploring the dense undergrowth of its habitat. The bush dog isn't your typical lone wolf. In fact, it's more of a pack animal, forming tight-knit family groups that hunt, play, and socialize together. It's like having a built-in support system in the wild, where teamwork and cooperation ensure survival in the unpredictable rainforest environment. From raising pups communally to coordinating group hunts for rodents, birds, and even capybaras, these dogs prove that strength truly lies in numbers. Despite its elusive nature, the bush dog has earned a reputation for being both elusive and charismatic. Unlike its larger canine cousins, it prefers to fly under the radar, avoiding human contact and quietly going about its business in the remote corners of South America. It's like the mysterious stranger at a party who leaves everyone intrigued but wanting more. The cock of the rockbird, a true showstopper of the South American rainforests, is like the feathered equivalent of a flamboyant opera star taking center stage. With its vibrant orange plumage that could outshine a tropical sunset and a crest that rivals the fanciest hairstyles, this bird doesn't just blend in, it demands attention. Let's start with its appearance. Imagine a bird that looks like it's perpetually dressed for a gala event, with a bright orange coat that screams, "Look at me!" The males, in particular, take flamboyance to new heights during mating season, where they gather in leks, essentially bird bachelor parties, to strut their stuff and vie for the attention of discerning females. It's like a feathery fashion show where every display of crest fluffing and tail wagging is designed to impress. Now, about its lifestyle. The cock of the rock isn't just about looks. It's a master of acrobatics, leaping from branch to branch with the agility of a gymnast and performing aerial displays that would make any Cirque du Soleil performer jealous. It's like watching a bird ballet in the treetops, where every move is choreographed to perfection. As a fruit eater, it helped to disperse seeds, ensuring the survival of the diverse plant life that makes up its habitat. It's like being both a fashion icon and a gardener, a multitasking marvel of the avian world.